Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Each month I put together what's called Stamps in the Mail. It's a card kit that I send to you with a minimum purchase. It's going to provide pre-cut supplies to make a total of 8 cards. You'll also receive a video and a PDF tutorial making it easy for you to stamp with me from home. I'm excited to share the October Stamps in the Mail kit with you by showing you the completed cards. So let's head over to the stamp table. As with each month, you'll receive the pre-cut supplies to make a total of 8 cards. So I'll send you, of course, the vellum circle, the designer series papers. They may be slightly assorted, but everything color coordinates. You will need some additional supplies. Of course, this month we're going to be using a brand new bundle from the holiday catalog, and it's called Dashing Deer. And you can see that the bundle includes the framelit, so you'll certainly need a big shot. This is a clear mount stamp. It's also offered in wood. So if you choose the clear mount, you of course will need your blocks as well. You're going to need some ink pads, and you're going to see that I use some rhinestones on my card. I also list all the products that you'll need over on my blog. You'll find a link down in the description bar below to make a total of 8 cards. You'll make 2 of everything that you see here. The video makes it very easy for you to stamp with me from home by placing any $50 product order before shipping and tax. You can choose anything you'd like. You can purchase the stamp set and the framelits as a bundle to save 10% and the products listed on my blog, or you can purchase products that you desire. You'll find the link down in the description of this video below if you're here visiting from YouTube. There is a very specific ordering period for Stamps in the Mail to receive your free card kit. That is October 10th through October 13th only. There is only a 4-day window, and you must use the exclusive host code. It's the only way that I know you're entitled to the free pre-cut supplies in this month's kit. I have a promised mail date no later than October 20th, and all supplies are packaged safely and sent to you first class mail. All of my Stamps in the Mail customers also receive an added bonus, and that's a private invitation to a Facebook event called Live with Lisa. There I provide live demonstrations, product prize giveaways, and a bundle of tutorials. But if you're not on Facebook, don't worry. Just let me know when you place your order and I'll be happy to send you the event recording and the tutorials via email. And of course, your name is still put into the product prize giveaways. I hope that you will join us for the October Stamps in the Mail, the Dashing Deer Bundle.